In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to comments with a video on TikTok, and it's pretty easy to do, so let's get started. Okay, but before we go into how to reply to comments with videos on your own posts, if you didn't know, you were able to do this on other people's videos for a short period of time a couple of days ago, but can't anymore as it was patched. And I'm not sure if it was an experiment and TikTok saw how much chaos it was causing in the comments and took it out, or it was just a glitch. But yeah, I thought I'd mention that you can't do that anymore, as a lot of people are still searching and leaving comments on other videos like this one for how they can do this. But anyway, let's get into how you can reply to comments with videos on your own TikTok posts. And what you want to do, of course, is go to your TikTok app and be logged in if you're not already. Once you get to your homepage like this, you just want to press on your Me page at the bottom right of the screen and you will be taken to your profile. At this point, you just want to find the video with the comment on it that you want to reply to and press on it, just like this. Next, press on the comments just under the like button and find the comment you want to reply to. As you can see, I only have one for the sake of this tutorial. And next, just press reply just underneath it. And now your keyboard will pop up. At this point, you just need to press on the red video button just to the left of the text box you're about to write in. And now you'll be taken here where you can choose to record a video by pressing the red button like this. And I'm going to do a quick video, or you can choose to upload a video. And this might be useful if you're replying to a similar comment and have a pre-recorded video saved in your camera roll. Anyway, after you have done that, and press the button again to stop recording, you can add your filters and whatever you'd like. And then when you're ready, just press the tick at the bottom right. Then you'll be taken to a preview page where you can see the comment that you are replying to up here. And you can add some more effects and filters. When you're finished here and ready to publish the reply, just press next at the bottom right. And you can type a message here if you want. And then to post your reply, just press post at the bottom right. And it will upload at the top left, as you can see. When it's done, it will take you to the reply, and if we go back to the Me profile page, you can see that it's added this video to your timeline as well. So that's how you reply to a comment with a video on TikTok. If this video helped you out in any way, please leave a like and consider subscribing to help me on my journey to becoming the biggest digital tutorial channel on YouTube. And if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments, and I'm sure I can help you out. See you next time. Bye-bye.